Another reason why I quit the Big Four is just the overall culture at these organizations. Now, let me start with the things I liked. There were things I definitely liked about working at PwC, and my understanding of the other Big Four companies are very similar to this in that it's very smart people. I mean, generally speaking, you're going to have pretty talented and smart people surrounding you, and so that made for a good learning experience. There's tons of opportunities to learn. Early on, being 24 years old, I got to work with a big Fortune 500 company as somewhat of an expert, even though I wasn't really an expert. I was perceived to be an expert. And so you get to learn a lot about different business operations and technologies and people and organizational dynamics that you wouldn't otherwise get unless you were doing a consulting engagement like that. So those are two of the things I really liked. And the third thing I'd say is that it looked good on my resume. It helped me get the jobs I pursued after that, which I'll come back to in a moment. But there were things that I didn't like that ultimately really limited my tenure at the company, so much so that I could only last about 2 years. I don't know how other people were able to last longer, but I knew I couldn't last more than a couple of years in that environment.